Okay, good morning, students. Today we will continue with muscle of lower extremities. Okay, so muscle of lower extremities. Okay, we will get this gluteus maximus. Okay, this one, this part. Can you see it? I'm pointing it with the help of the
Yes, ma'am.
mouse. Okay, so this is your gluteus maximus. And this gluteus maximus, it helps you in what? It helps you in movement of your hips. Okay, it helps you in movement of your hips as well as your thighs. Okay, and also it helps you in supporting your buttock, this part, this area. Okay, when you sit down and when you get up, in all this gluteus maximus helps you in that. Okay, even while climbing up the stairs, while climbing up the mountains, in all these cases, this gluteus maximus, okay, this muscle, the name of this muscle is gluteus maximus. It helps you in that. Okay, are you clear about this muscle, which is in the lower extremity? Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next is quadriceps. This one, this part, this red color thing. Na? Can you see it in both sides?
Yes.
Okay, this is known as quadriceps. Okay, so this quadriceps, where you see means where you can find where it is located. It is located in your thigh, both sides. Okay, right and the left. It's located in both sides of your thigh. This muscle is known as quadriceps. Okay, and this muscle helps you in what? It helps you in straightening your leg. Okay, at your knee, it helps you in straightening your leg so that it won't bend. Okay, so that it won't bend. It helps you in straightening your leg. Maybe while sitting, standing, means in anything. Whatever activities, physical activities you perform, whatever physical activities you do, this quadricep muscles helps you in that. Okay, this is quadriceps. This muscle is known as quadriceps. Okay, shall we move to the next slide? Yes? Okay. Next is hamstrings. Hamstring muscle. So all this part, all this, okay, this part, this part. Okay, so all this part are known as hamstring muscles. Okay, they are just like a string from the name itself. All this part are known as hamstring. And this hamstring is located where? This hamstring muscles, it is located at the back of your leg. Okay, so this is your front thigh. This is your front thigh. So at the back, this hamstring muscle will be located. All this part. Okay, all this, they are just like a string from the name itself. Okay, and this muscle helps you in what? This muscle helps you to extend your thigh. Okay, they helps you in extending your thigh as well as bending your leg. Okay, bending your leg at the knee. It helps you in bending as well as extending your thigh. Okay, means flexion and extension. This hamstring muscle helps you in that. Okay, it is located at the back of your thigh, and it helps you in extending as well as bending your leg. Okay, did you understand about hamstring? Hamstring muscle? Yes, everyone? Yes, are you clear?
Ma'am, can you repeat it again? Because your voice not clear.
Okay, this hamstring muscle, it is located or it is situated at the back of your thigh. Okay, so this is your front thigh, means this part, this is your front thigh. Okay, and at the back, at your back side of your thigh, hamstring muscle is located. Okay, so all this part, all this, they are just like a string from the name itself. All this part, okay, all these are known as hamstring muscles. Okay, and this hamstring muscle helps you in what? They helps you to extend your thigh as well as bending your thigh. Okay, both extension and flex. You can extend also as well as you can flex also. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next is tibialis anterior. Okay, so this part, this part, and also this part. This part of the muscle is known as tibialis anterior. Okay, it is located here, means in your feet, in your leg. Okay, means just below your knee. Just below your knee, it is located here, as well as just above your foot or feet, it is located tibialis anterior. Okay, sole of your foot means sole means here, sole means up. Okay, upside of your foot, it is located. Okay, means and this tibialis anterior, they helps you in what? They helps you in rising up your foot. Okay, means rising up your feet. This, can you rise up your feet or not? Yes.
Yes.
Yes. So with the help of what? With the help of this tibialis anterior. This tibialis anterior muscle helps you in rising up your feet. Okay. Okay. Are you clear about tibialis anterior? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next is soleus. Okay, this part. This part. This part is known as soleus. 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 Okay. So this soleus, it lies where? It lies just at the back of your leg, this part, lower part of your knee, no? Just below your knee, at the back, at your back side. The soleus muscle is located. Soleus, this part. So this soleus, it helps you in what? Maintaining your posture. Okay, maintaining your posture like what? While you are walking, it helps you in that. Okay, means for balancing your um, posture, for maintaining your posture while walking, especially while walking, the soleus muscle helps you in that. Okay, are you clear? Are you clear, everyone,
Yes,
about soleus?
yes, ma'am.
Ma'am. Okay. Okay, is it clear to you, everyone, about the muscle, or do you want me to repeat from the beginning? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So in this muscular system, from the name is a muscular. With the help of muscles, we are able to do all the physical activities or not? Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
your daily activities. Okay, right from the time you wake up, means with the help of muscles, like we are able to perform all the physical activities which we are performing. Okay, writing,
Yes.
walking, then working, means everything. Whatever we do, all the activities, playing, all these activities are possible because of what? Because of your muscle, isn't it? Okay. And this muscle, in this muscle tissue, it is found mostly inside your heart, digestive system, okay, digestive organs, and your blood vessels. And with the help of these muscles, you are able to apply force, motion, same thing which I have said, and they helps you in maintaining posture, and they also helps you in the movement of your internal organs. Okay, the movement of your internal organs, they helps you in all these activities. Okay, means be it internally, be it externally, it helps you in both this muscle. It is found uh, means inside as well as outside. And we find that this muscle, okay, we can find that there are three types of muscles. Okay, the first is skeletal muscles, which you will find just beneath your skin, just below your skin. And cardiac muscle, you will find mostly in the heart, that is in the myocardium. And the third is the smooth muscle. This is the smooth muscle. You will find mostly in your internal organs. So these are the three parts or else the three types of muscles. And the first muscle, that is a smooth muscle, this one, okay, it is also called involuntary muscles. Involuntary muscles, why? Can anybody say? Okay, KV, why it is known as involuntary muscles? Can you say? Involuntary means what? Involuntary means, yes, KV, involuntary means, yes, like me, involuntary means, involuntary means what? Okay, Nafisha, involuntary means,
which we can't control.
yeah, which you can't control. Okay, involuntary means it's occurring automatically, okay, which you can't control. That means it is involuntary. It's smooth muscles, okay, which you can't control. For example, your brain, who controls your involuntary muscle? Your brain. Okay, your brain is passing information to all the parts of your organs. Do this, do that. Okay, so, this is about the smooth muscle. And smooth muscle you will find mostly where? You'll find mostly in the digestive system, your respiratory system, your renal system. Renal system means what? Excretory system means urinary system, okay, and reproductive system. So in all this system, you will find the smooth muscles. Okay, are you clear about smooth muscle? Yes. Is it clear? Smooth muscle means what? Which you can't control. Okay, for example, your stomach, your liver, your kidney. It means all these things which you can't control. Okay, are you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next is cardiac muscle. This one, cardiac. Cardiac muscle is found inside the heart. Okay, and what does it do to your heart? Your heart. What is the function of your heart? I've already discussed with you about this. What does your heart do? Nyanu, what is the function of the heart? Yes, Nyanu, what is the function of the heart? Huh? Yes. What is the function? Okay, which person? What is the function of the heart? Yes. Which person? Can you hear me? Yes? No reply. Okay, Rupjyoti, function of heart. Yes? What happened? Everyone is quiet. Sajarika, function of heart.
Ma'am,
Huh.
to
Sorry, ma'am, I don't know.
Yes, Nanda.
ma'am,
So
ma'am, to convert deoxygenated blood into oxygenated and send it to different parts of our body.
you are partially correct. Means actually that thing lungs used to do. Okay, when they go to the
Yes,
lungs, when they go to the lungs, what happens? When they will go to the lungs, it will become oxygenated blood. Before it was deoxygenated, isn't it? But when
yes,
it comes from the lungs, like they will become oxygenated. Means you are partially correct, means half correct, but not totally correct. Okay, but means you just say circulation of blood, you can say function of the heart means means it supplies blood to all the parts of the body. You can say like that.
yes,
A simple thing. Okay,
yes,
your heart. Okay. So this cardiac muscle you'll find in the heart, okay, which allows the heart to beat. Okay. Allowed to beat means what? Means contraction. It will contract again. It will relax again. Contraction, relax, contraction, relax. So in that way, it helps in it this cardiac muscle. And this cardiac muscle, uh, it is also known as myocardium. You remember no myocardium? Three layers of the heart. What are the three layers of the heart? Yes, Subhash. Three layers of the heart. Subhash. Three layers of the heart. Hmm? Three layers of the heart. What were those? What are those? I mean, yes. Okay, Srijana. Srijana, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Three layers of the heart.
Epicardium, myocardium, and endocardium.
Okay, very good. So this cardiac muscle, it is also known as myocardium. Okay, and this muscle, okay, this cardiac muscle, it is thick. Okay, it is thick and it helps you in what? Contraction of your heart means it helps in functioning. Okay, contract, relax, and it will circulate blood to all the parts of your body. So this cardiac muscle helps you in that. Okay, did you understand where it is found and what is the function of this cardiac muscle? Okay, did you understand everyone about cardiac muscle? Yes, this response. Yes. Okay, so this cardiac muscle is also like smooth muscle. Why? Because we can't control. Okay, and that's why it can also be known as a smooth muscle. And in your cell, okay, in your this cardiac muscle, what happens? Special group of cells are found. So this one. Special group of cells are found, which is known as pacemaker of the heart. Why? Because it controls the heartbeat. That's why. Okay. Next is skeletal muscle. This is your skeletal muscle, and this skeletal muscle, it is also known as a striated muscle. Okay, skeletal muscle can also be known as striated muscle. Why? Because there is some of the muscle are light, some of the muscle are dark. That's why it is known as striated muscle. And this skeletal muscle is voluntary muscle. Voluntary muscle means what? Voluntary muscle means which we can control. Means we can control our skeletal muscle. That's why it is known as voluntary muscles. And they are just like fibers, means they are long. They are just like line. That's why they are so for that reason also it is known as stripe. They looks like just like a stripe, stripe. So for because they are long, the appearance, their looks is long. Okay, long. It's like a line. That's why they appear in stripe. Okay, are you clear about skeletal muscle? And this skeletal muscle helps you in what? This skeletal muscle they helps you in strengthening your body. Okay, whenever you lift up things, whenever you do some physical activities, the skeletal muscle helps you in that. And this skeletal muscle mostly you will see where? The skeletal muscle you will see in both sides of your bone. Okay, means both sides of your bone. Suppose this is your bone. Okay, what bone was there? What was the name of the bone in the upper extremity? Yes, Kabayakar. What is the name of this bone? This upper extremity?
Ma'am, which one?
This,
Skeletal muscle.
yes. What was the name of the bone? In anatomy, I have discussed, no? Here one bone was there.
Ma'am, proper.
Huh? What was the name of the bone?
Clavicle bone, ma'am.
Clavicle, sure.
I'm not sure, but I forget exactly the name.
Okay. Okay, Yatu, do you remember? What is the name of the bone? It is situated here.
Scapula.
Scapula. No, not scapula.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Unless and until like no one gives me correct exact answer, I won't continue. Yes, what is the name of this bone?
Ma'am, humerus.
Are you sure, Srijana?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yes, it is correct. Good. So this is humerus. Okay, so this bone means this skeletal muscle where it will lie, where it will be situated. It will be situated here. Okay, they are attached to the bone, to each end. Okay, epiphysis, diaphysis, you remembered or not? Yes, Srijana, you remember epiphysis, diaphysis?
Yes, ma'am.
So it will lie where? Epiphysis or diaphysis? Both ends, I am saying. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
It will lie where? Epiphysis or diaphysis? It is saying that the skeletal muscle they are attached to each end of the bone. So it will lie where? Epiphysis or diaphysis? Yes? Yes, anyone? Do you all revise or not?
Hello?
For this bones, I have already given you the notes. I've already given you the notes in your even in your student portal also. You can't escape from it. So you have to answer me. Epiphysis or diaphysis? Yes, anyone? Anyone? No one can answer. Very disappointing.
Question.
Ma'am, epiphysis.
Epiphysis. Are you
Yes.
sure?
Yes, ma'am.
100%.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, it will lie in both the ends. It will lie in both the ends of your bones. Okay, this skeletal muscle, and it helps you in what? It also helps you in stretching. Okay, stretching of your bone, and also it is located where, means they are attached to each bone, means femur bone will be attached to this bone. What is the name of this bone? Yes, downside, this is, oh sorry, this is not femur. Yes, it will lie in each bone, means this part and this. What is the name of the two bones? Yes,
Yes, Anna.
ulna, are you sure? Ulna and
Yes, ma'am. Radius.
yes, means it will lie the skeletal muscle, like they helps you in attaching each bone. Okay, understand? Means they are just like what to say, gum, you can say. For your understanding, I'm just saying, but in exam don't write. Okay, they are just like gum or glue. Means they helps in attaching. They helps in attachment of each bone. Okay, did you understand, everyone? Did you understand or not, everyone? Means this is your humerus, is not it? This bone, humerus, humerus, and here radius and ulna is located, is not it? So this humerus and radius and ulna, they get attached because of what? Because of the skeletal muscle. Means uh, they are coordinating. Okay, they are coordinating, or else they are working together because of what? Because of this skeletal muscle. Okay, are you clear? Are you clear or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So this skeletal muscle or what, the tendons are attached so well that you can contract one of your muscle. The tendon means what? Means the attachment. Okay, the attachment of the bones. Okay, that is your muscle, which is a skeletal muscle, is known as tendons. T-E-N-D-O-N-S, tendons. Okay, it means the attachment of your muscle in your bones is known as tendons, and the skeletal muscle is responsible for it. Okay, do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. And what is the function of the skeletal muscle? The function of the skeletal muscle is that they help you in voluntary movement. Voluntary movements means what? Which you can control. Okay, by performing some physical activities, which you can control. And the skeletal muscle, they work with both of your bones to give you strength, power, and in most cases, the skeletal muscle is seen in the end of your bone, which I have said, and it helps you in stretching your bones. Okay, stretching. It helps you in stretching your arms, stretching your legs, skeletal muscle. Okay, are you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, same thing. This function of skeletal muscle, they helps in maintaining posture. They support your tissues. They helps you in entrance and exit. Entrance and exit means what? They help you in eating. Okay. and they help you in exit. Exit means what? Means your excretory system part, you can say, your urine, your stool, all this. The skeletal muscle helps you in that. And also the skeletal muscle helps you in maintaining your body temperature, and they also helps you in storing all the nutrients. I mean, whatever you have, something, they helps you in giving you nutritious food. Okay, they helps you in storing, I can say. And this is a face muscle. The face muscle, actually, it's not directly attached, okay, to the bone. Yeah, they are just beneath your skin, you can say. They are just attached with your skin. And this facial muscle helps you in what? This facial muscle, they helps you in giving some facial expression, like smiling, like sad, means anything. All this, whatever you do with your face, it helps you in that. This face muscle. And next is zygomaticus, this one, which you see in your cheeks. Okay. And this zygomaticus helps you in what? They helps you in facial expression, as well as lifting up your mouth, maybe while smiling. In all these cases, this zygomaticus helps you in that. Next is masseter. Masseter. Okay, so this masseter, where you will find mostly uh, just nearby your mouth, close to your mouth. It is in your jaw, sorry, in your jaw you will find this masseter. And this masseter helps you in what? They help you in closing your mouth as well as chewing the food which you eat. And next is eye muscle, that is the extraocular muscle, this one. And this eye muscle or extraocular helps you in what? They helps you in movement of your eyes, such as closing your eyes, opening your eyes. This eye muscle or extraocular helps you in that. Okay, are you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next is muscle of head and neck. Okay, in between your head and neck, in between your head and neck, your tongue is found. Okay, your tongue is made up of muscle, and this muscle helps you in what? This tongue, they helps you to elevate your tongue, means lift up your tongue. Elevate means lifting up. Okay, means taking your tongue up, lifting up, and they helps you in lowering of your tongue also. They helps in moving down also, and it helps you in what? They also helps you in moving in and out, means taking in, taking out. So means moving. Okay, in short, you can say movement. They helps in movement of your tongue. This muscle of your tongue. And the next is sternocleidoid muscle. Okay, which you will find in your neck part. This is sternocleidoid muscle. So the sternocleidoid muscle helps you in what? They helps you in rotating your neck sidewise, left, right, seeing upwards, then bending downwards. So this sternocleidoid muscle helps you in that. Are you clear? Are you clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, next is muscle of the trunk. So muscle of the trunk, you will find here. Okay, the first muscle is the erector spina or spinae. Okay, you'll find here in all these areas. Backside, backside you will find, and you will find this erector spina, where you will find in your lumbar vertebra as well as thoracic. You remember the thoracic vertebra? So you will find in the thoracic vertebra, that is the 11th and the 12th. Okay, in the 11th and the 12th number, you will find erector spina. You remember no lumbar vertebra, thoracic vertebra? You remember or not? Or else you forgot? Yes, you remembered? Yes. Yes, you remembered or not? Simon and all,
Yes.
you remembered? Sachin,
Ma'am.
do you remember?
Yes.
Yes. So this erector spina is located there. Okay, in your lumbar vertebra as well as thoracic vertebra. That is the 11th and the 12th. In this part, you'll find your erector spina or spine. And this erector spina or spine helps you in what? They helps you in supporting your spine, means this lower is this part, okay, vertebra. They helps, or else you can say spine also. They helps you in moving it. Okay, maybe bending down, maybe twisting your spine. Okay, left right position. You can move it. So this erector spina helps you in that. And next is oblique muscle. This is the oblique muscle. Okay, in oblique muscle there is also external and internal. Okay, outside is external, inside is internal. And this oblique muscle means these two parts. They help you in what? They help you in twisting your body. They help you with bending down, raising up sideways. This oblique muscle helps you in that. Okay, are you clear? Are you clear, everyone? Oblique muscle. And next is the intercostal muscle. This is all this. Okay, inside. This one. Inside you will find the internal costal. You'll find where? You'll find in your ribs. You remember the ribs? Remember or not ribs? Yes?
Yes.
Yes. So you'll find this internal costal muscle in your ribs. And this internal costal muscle helps you in what? They helps you in inhaling and exhaling. Means in your respiratory system part, they helps you in that. Okay, when you breathe in, when you breathe out, you contract or not. So in this thing, this intercostal muscle helps you in that. Next is diaphragm. This is your diaphragm. Okay, this is your diaphragm. And this diaphragm helps you in what? This diaphragm helps you in breathing. There is a respiratory system as well as contracting. Contracting means what? Means circulatory system, heart. Okay, and also it helps you in inhaling and exhaling. Okay, are you clear about diaphragm? Next is levator ani or ani. So this is it. It lies in your pelvic area. And this levator ani helps you in what? They helps you in passing urine as well as bowel movements, means latrine. All these things, your levator ani helps you in that. Okay, are you clear? Till this I will end. Are you clear, everyone? Till here? Yes?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.